my dear students. How are you? I think you are all by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal University School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Okay, it's our first lecture on mathematics, and our lecture number is 1. Our topic is write in number part 1. I repeat, our topic is write in number part 1. Okay, it's our first lecture today. That's why we have no homework. Okay. Now, dear students, we should down today how many? We should write down from 1 to 10 in number. Okay. There I have already write down in words. We need to write down in numbers. Okay. From 1 to 10. Okay. Already we have write down in words. We have to write down in numbers. First one is 1. First one is 1. 1 is write down in how? Look at the board. It's so easy. You know that already, right? It is 1. Okay. 1 is equal to 1. It is the number of 1. Okay. Next one is 2. How to write down 2? This is 2. The number 2. Okay. This is 2. TWO2, the number is 2. Then it's 3. How to write down in 3? 3 can be written down as like this. This is the number 3. Okay. After 3, we have to write down 4. Okay, 4 is written down in words. We have to write down in number. How to write down number 4? 4 is like this. Okay. It's called 4. The number 4. Okay. After 4, we arise 5 here. Okay. How to write down 5? 5 is written down like this. This is number 5. Okay. After 5, we have the number 6. Okay. 6 is in the word. This is, and 6 is written down like this. Okay. The students do the mistake to write down 6. The students write down like this. Is it 6? No, it's not the 6. Okay. The number 6 is this one. Look very carefully. The number 6 is this one, not this. This is wrong. Please, you have to practice more and more when you write down 6. 6 is like this one. Okay. After 6, we need to write down number 7. The 7 is like this one. It is 7. Okay. After 7, the number comes 8. 8 can be written down as this. Okay, it's not a Bengali number, it's an English number. So it is the number 8. Okay, this is the number 8. After 8, we arise the number 9. The students, 9 can be written down as like this. Okay, and some students do this mistake to write down 9 and 6. Some students write down 9 like this. This is not number 9. Okay, this is the wrong process. When we write down number 6 and when we write down number 9, we will keep more patience. Okay, because 6 is like this and 9 is like this, not like this one. Okay, this is the wrong number. I hope you have understood, dear students. When we write down 6 and 9, we need more patience. Number 10. When we write down number 10, look, there are 9 digits is done to write down from 1 to 9. The next number when 10 will arise, we need 2 digits to write down 10. Okay. The 10 is like 1 and 0 make 10. Okay. 1 0 makes 10. It is the number 10, and this is our last number today. Now again, dear students, we write down today from 1 to 10. 1 is like this one. Look very carefully. This is 1. The next number is 2. 2 is like this. Okay. The next number is 3. 3 is like this. After 3, we arise 4. 4 is like this. It is 5. Okay. After 5, we have 6. Look very carefully. 6 is very, very important because we did this mistake again and again in this number. Okay. So don't do any mistake in 6. After that, it's 7. Then 8. Then 9. After that, the 10 is 1 and 0 makes 10. The students, I think you have understood my today's lecture. See you again inshallah in the next class. Stay home, stay safe, abide by your parents. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.